Today we're talking about vowel patterns, E-A, E-A, E-Y, E, and Y. You will see on the board I have broken these down into the different vowels. E-A, M, eat, T, eem, E-E, st, eep, sh, eat, E-Y, K, E by itself, M, E, we, and she. Y that sounds like E, baby, sleepy, happy. When you have the vowel patterns EA and EE and EY, those have Miss Long is the first vowel and Miss Silent is the second vowel. You need Miss Silent in order for Miss Long's vowel to have the long sound. Also, in your textbook, you will have this page today. You will see 5 different trains. On those trains are the vowel patterns, EA, EE, EY, E, and Y. On those trains, you need to circle the vowel pattern, whether it is EA, EE, EY, E, or Y. At the bottom of the page, you will double the final consonant and add Y to complete the word. For example, if the word is dad, you put D-Y and you have daddy. You double the final consonant. On the back page, you will mark the sentence that matches the picture. And the final directions at the bottom of the page, choose an adjective from the word bank that describes each thing that Greg is thankful for. Think about how the things look. And here is the page for that.